Yeah. So welcome to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes. Yeah, so I wanted to do a live video on drawing some of my NT coins, and I wake up with this. Some people have been chatting me, yo bro, Neptune is gone, or they have scammed us, and this the updates I want to give you. You see, before 15th September, this thing pop up, like some of these things show up, and it went like this. And you can see the updates right now is 2.12 version, and to me, I can say it will still come back again. The reason why I'm saying is that after the rebounding, when you withdraw your money, instead of them equating the amount to 2 USDT, it was 0.02. so if you have 40,000, you may end up getting, let's say, 1,500 or 15,000 as your money. And you can see that it's already the latest, so maybe they are doing their updates, but no shaking. You see, it went like this and it came back before the 15th September. And I know that they are working on the money, because like, yo, right now, if you do the rebounding and you try to withdraw your money, if you have $1,000, you may end up withdrawing, let's say $40. Yeah, $40. Yeah, so I think maybe they are working on it, because like if you come to the exchange, you can see that 1 NT is equal to 0.1 USDT. You see that thing? Yeah, and that is why I'm saying that maybe they are working on the value, because when they send the money to you, they don't send the exact money. If you have 80,000, you have to expect, let's say, $1,500, and even their game is not working right now. So everything is down right now. And we are wishing it will come back soon, because yo, this is not the first time. They have been blank like this before, and they came back. Yeah, they came back. Like, I think they came back some hours later. So there's no alarming about this thing that have happened before. So we have to wait for it to also happen again. Yeah, this is the first time. So please, those who are asking me, yo, is it gone? Please, I'm not the fan of Neptune Network, but all I can say is that this thing have happened again. Have happened before, and it have happened again. So we have to expect it to come back very soon. Yeah, that's why I said that, like, if you're doing everything, you have to put faith in it. Like, don't say that, yo, they are gone. No. Put faith in it. It will come back again. That is why those who had faith and they believe in my rebounding, they have withdrawn their money right now. And some of people who were saying that, yo, you are trying to scam us, blah 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 blah. You people just recently sent your fee, and this thing have happened, but we are wishing it to come back again, so that we will continue our class, and we will do the rebounding and withdraw our money. But as I've already told you, that if you have $1,000 in your account, you may withdraw, let's say, $40. Yeah, but let's be assured that maybe after the update, everything will go to normal. If you withdraw 1,000, you will get 1,000 back, and that will be cool for each and every one. Because right now, if you can say 1 NT is equal to 0.1 USDT right now. So thank you for watching me, and let's get it started. I'm out.